In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust logo size on Shopify store. Change logo size. Tutorial 2025. First, log into your Shopify admin and head to your online store. From there, open your current theme and click Edit Theme to launch the visual editor. This takes you into the live preview where your store appears on the right and the controls sit on the left. Inside the editor, look for Theme Settings. Open that, then select Logo and favicon. This is where Shopify centralizes your brand image settings so you don't have to touch any code. If you already have a logo uploaded, you'll see it here. If not, or if you just want a temporary placeholder while you dial in sizes, click Explore Free Images. A window will open with Shopify's free media library. You can browse categories to find a clean, simple mark that behaves like a logo for testing. Choose a category such as men's fashion if that's relevant to your brand style, or pick any category that gives you a high contrast graphic. Click an image you like to highlight it, then click Select to drop it into the logo slot. Remember, this placeholder is just to help you preview sizing. You can replace it later with your actual brand file. With the logo in place, focus on the size controls in the Logo and favicon section. Most themes provide a logo width slider, or a field where you can enter a value. Slowly drag the slider and watch the preview update in real time. Increase until the logo is clearly readable, then back it off slightly so it doesn't overwhelm your header or push navigation items onto a second line. If your theme offers separate desktop and mobile widths, adjust both. Switch the preview between desktop and mobile at the top of the editor to confirm the logo looks balanced in each view. Some themes also include header height or padding controls nearby. If you see those, use them to create breathing room so the logo isn't cramped against the edges or menu. A few quick tips as you fine-tune. Logos with transparent backgrounds, PNG or SVG, tend to look cleaner. Thin, detailed marks need a bit more width to stay crisp, and if your logo looks blurry when enlarged, use a higher resolution file. For favicons, keep a small, square version handy so your browser tab icon remains sharp. When you're happy with the sizing, click Save in the top right. Give the page a quick refresh, navigate to a couple of different pages, and double-check on your phone to make sure the logo size feels consistent across your store. That's it.